Hey guys, this is Usha from Pro Programmer. So in the previous class we learned about the Hello World program, right? So today's class we are going to learn that addition of two numbers. So let's see, if I want to add two numbers, here I will be assuming that we have 2 and 4. So if I want to add this number 2 plus 4, we assume that it has a plus symbol here and we are adding. But in the computer, how can we store this value? So I can store this value in one container like a variable. So in C programming, we are calling the container is variable. Let's say I is a variable, so within I 2 has having the value. So say j is a container which is having a value of 4. So I will be giving another variable, that is let's say a equal to 5. So or else I can give that 5.6. So this is also another variable and another value. But when we comparing that I and j, the a is different from that. So when I click this, it's showing as a double, right? So double or a floating point value, or it can be say that the real value. So how can that data type will be differ from I and j to a? So here in C we have a data types to differ that type of the data size. So let's say when we have a whole number like 2, 4, 6 and so on, so in that time we are adding that int data type. Clear? So in the next line, so when we have a pointing value, we are having a float data type. Suppose we are having that characters like A to Z, A, B, C, D. So in that time we are adding that char, that is character values. So for that I will be giving that name as a ch is a variable, so which is having a value of a. So whenever I use that single character in char data type, so I will be giving the single quotation. It is mandatory to give that. So if I use that string variables, I previous classes I only said that whenever we having the collection of characters, so in that time we call it as a strings. So we should be give that double quotation. So as of now we have two numbers. So within that two numbers I will be doing the addition. Let's give that another data type int. So suppose I give that k is a variable. So within that k we are adding two numbers or two digits. So let's say if I having I is a 2 value, so plus, and j is having a value of 4. So the output should come within a k is 6, I think. So if I give this arrow mark, it show that error, right? So for that I will be adding double slash. So it is a comment. So comment is nothing but within a comment whatever I read or whatever I store or whatever I write, it's not executable. Okay, so it's just a information for a reader or a programmer to understand the subject. So the double quotation is called as a comments. So whenever you want to add 2 or 3 lines of code, you can do the comments like this, like slash star. So at the end of the line star slash. So it is the opening comment, it is a closing comment. So in the next line I should print the value. Let's say I don't need this hello world statement, so I just need the k value here. So if I give the k, it won't work. Let's see that also. So whenever I run this, so it shows that return 0. So the value won't get it. So what I do is, so whenever we run any C programming, it has some format. So for that format, I will be doing this. So within a braces, within a double quotation, I will be adding %d. So which specifies that it has a int value. So %d, after %d I will be adding slash n. Slash n is a new line which shows that, so the output will print in a next line. So after the quotation I will be giving comma. So after that I will be giving the k is a variable. So now I will get the output here. So it's showing that, so before token, so close bracket, right. So here I opened the another braces here, that's why it's showing the error. So if I run now, so it will give the output. So as of now it is showing the k is okay. So here I given the capital K, so here I given the small k. So it is a case sensitive, right. So we should give the same variable name. So now I run it, so k has value of 6. So as simple as I think 2 to 3 minutes we done this program. So this is the addition of two numbers. So if you like my video, please do subscribe our channel and make sure you like my video, and if you have any doubts, comment in comment section. Thank you for watching.